I will teach you how to display Hello World in Java using the software called Eclipse. As you gained a lot of options here, now you have to click on the Create a New Java Project. After creating the Java project, now we have to create the class while pressing these buttons. As you can see the pre-written code of the package and the class. To display any code, we have to write it in between these two lines. As we know, to display any code in Java, we have a function called system.out.println. Whatever we write in a small bracket of this function will be displayed on the console. But to make this concept simple, we will only write hello world in this program. After closing these small brackets, we will write semicolon to make this function work. Now, after completing the code, we will press. As you can see, the hello world is displayed here.